How to see Snapchat deleted message history. How to view Snapchat message history. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can basically see the Snapchat deleted history. Now, you're probably wondering, if someone deletes a message, it's impossible to go and see it back again. Don't worry, it's not anymore. All you're going to need to do is go in your settings. You're going to find your notification setting. And once you go into your notification setting, what you're going to do is you're going to go on Snapchat and you're going to somehow make your Snapchat keep your notification history. And by keeping your notification history, what's going to happen, it's going to allow you, let's say, go back to the certain time where the message was deleted and just go into the Snapchat notification that you got that time. Now, if you're lucky enough, you're going to see the notification over there. Or you can also use external apps that maybe take some paid, money from you, but you can use those easily to record your lost messages on Snapchat. Now, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content like this in the future. Thank you for watching and goodbye.